Hello again, Tony Skipper here on my YouTube short channel, Flying for Fun 1949. I hope you like my little shorts. 77-year-old chap. I really enjoy it, getting out into the countryside, right in the middle of nowhere, next to the London-Scotland main line, and really having a lovely day. It's sunny, it's warm, and of course I'm out on my trusty bike. Anyway, hope you enjoy my little clips, and please like and subscribe if you do, because I want to get as many subscribers as possible. Thank you. Perfect train spotting bike.